I'm Karuna Gopal. I have been invited as guest of honor to this wonderful event organized by, you can see, many partner organizations. Um, the most exciting part is that there's a bunch of women entrepreneurs who have showcased their products, and it's extremely heartening to see women putting in their efforts, trying to bring in economic vitality into not only the state but the entire country. Their relevance cannot be overstated in the sense that they're so relevant and so important for the economy to grow and grow into and to push, usher into India into a global power. Now, we were given to understand that if women start working and contributing to the economy, our gross domestic product will grow by 27%, which means that the aspiration of our Honorable Prime Minister to push our economy into a 5 trillion economy or a 10 trillion economy is possible only when women start working as entrepreneurs or as joining the workforce. That is when India is going to go and become very economically powerful, let's say. Then another important thing I was told, there are a whole bunch of stalls here run by women entrepreneurs. Most of them are to do with wellness. It's to do with nutrition like millets, it's like cold pressed oils. Some of them are even softening hard water. Some of them are into probiotics and prebiotics and even prepared products like kombucha, etc. These are exceptional products, and if women manufacture them, they can promote them, women can become healthy. The minute women become healthy, there is a statistic that says even if 10% of women in India become healthy, we will add $700 billion to the gross domestic product. What is $700 billion is translated, it is 21 lakh crores. So women have to become healthy, and that is possible only when women entrepreneurs take it upon themselves to make products that are pushing the health indicators of women up. So I'm extremely glad that I've been invited today for this event, and I will go back and bring my colleagues and also my friends for this show, because that's the only form of encouragement that these women have. And in our Honorable Prime Minister's program, there is he has created an international platform for women to market and brand their products. All of them can cross the shores and go and hit the international markets, and that is my blessing and wishes for this bunch of entrepreneurs. And thank you, organizers.